Okay, let's look into Microsoft Word. Now, Microsoft Word is a word processing program developed by Microsoft. Now, Microsoft Word is used for text editing. It's used to type, report, essay, and letters. It can be used to format documents. You can use it to format your document. You can use it to organize your write-up in a meaningful way. So Microsoft, if you are looking for a tool or that software where you can use to organize your text, you can use to organize your documents, Microsoft Word is one of those programs that is a must. You have it in your system. And to open Microsoft Word, for those that are just coming into it newly, to open your Microsoft Word, you just need to locate your Microsoft Word icon. Right from here, you can locate it. Where is it here? You double tap it here to open. Or you can open a Microsoft document like this. From there, navigate to a new page. Or you can just search for words like this, and it will just appear. Is it here? Then all you need to do is just open your Microsoft Word. Now, because our Microsoft Word is already open, let's go into it. Firstly, let's look at this file menu here. Now, the file menu, in this file menu here, you will see home. Now, this home here will just take you to the home of the document. Then we have the new. The new will basically open a new blank document for you. It means you want to create a new document. That is what this button does. Then open. This open will open a document that is already saved in your system. The document might be in your system, in your flash drive, maybe from your phone, hard disk, or anything that any storage device can open from this button. Then info. The info will give you the information about the document. You can see this, we have only one page not saved here because it's a new document. The author is me. So this info will give you all the details about your document. Then we have the save. Now the save here is for you to save it so you can be able to retrieve it again on next time when you come to continue your work or to edit or to print. So if you don't save, by the time you close your system, you won't have that document again. So you have the savers, which help you to save a copy of your new modification without your new editing, without modifying the previous document. So they both work similarly, but this one gives you the privilege to rename the document with a new name. And we have the print here, which you can use to print your document. Then have share, you can use to share to others or share to group. As well for this. Then we have home here. Remember home here, like here, this ribbon here, this place now is known as ribbon. Here, known as your ribbon. Then here, this place here is known as your work area. Work area. This empty black white space here is known as your work area. Here, all these places are ribbon, or you can call it menus. Now, each of the menu, this is a menu. Home menu, insert menu, draw menu, design menu, layout menu, reference, mailing, review. Each of these menu has their own properties. It has its own properties designed specifically for specific purposes. So each of those menu can be used to achieve different purposes. So now in the menu here, we have this section here that basically for clipboard. You can see it's for clipboard. Here you paste, you can paste from here, you can copy, you can cut, and you can format painter here, right from this section here. From here, this line demarcates the function. This line demarcates this section. Then from this place to here is another section that is for font. Here you can use it to manage your font, like changing your font style, bolding it, making it italic, or adding underline. You can add colors, change your color, format your background. You can increase the size from here. Then here you use it to reduce the size or change it from cap lock to small letter or sentence case. all that can be done using this font section. Then if you want to remove all your formatting, you want to delete all your formatting, you want to remove both the color, size and everything you have added, this button with the A and the sign of eraser here, we do that for you. We just wipe. For instance, let's say we have home, and in this home we select it. Let's say we want to make it red, then we want to color the background, add background color, we want to bolden it, then we change the font. Just take note of what I am doing. We change the font, we bolden it, we change the font. Let's say I use Arial Black. Then here I can increase the size and I can add underline to it. I can make it italic from here. Now you see all these changes. Let's say I want to remove all these changes. I just have to click on this button and everything wipes out instantly without delay. Then on this section here, from this section to this section, is all about paragraph. Here you can use it to add your bullets. Here is your bullet library. Then this one is your number bullet. Here is your current list bullet, this list bullet. Then here is your alignment. We have the left alignment, which you can do using Ctrl L. Then center alignment, which you can do by using Ctrl E. Then right alignment, which you can use Ctrl R to achieve. Then you want to justify the content on both sides. We have this Ctrl J here that you can use to justify your content on both sides. Then here is font style. You can use your font, you can change the font style you are using. Let's say for instance, look at how the text is changing because of this section I am touching. The moment I hover my mouse on it, the text style changes instantly. So this side, all this section is just for changing your text style. So here we insert. This menu is called insert menu. Now, if anytime you think about insert, what comes into your mind is all about adding something or bringing something. So now, let's say for instance, if you think of inserting a cover page, let insert be the first thing that comes to your mind. If you think of adding a picture in your document, let insert be the first thing that comes in your mind. If you think of adding any shape, any image or whatever you want to add into it, aside typing text, let insert be what will come to your mind. You want to add any shapes, let insert be the thing that comes into your mind. So as the name sounds, is used to add either shapes, videos, audio, images, charts, and a lot of shapes to your document. You can also use it to add cover page from here. You can use it to add a blank page. You can use it to break page using insert. Also, from insert, you can insert your table. You can add table. Let's say we have this here. You can insert our table from insert. So let's say we want to add table here. You can see it. These are table. So we've added a table from here. Then here is where you can design your table. You can use this section to design your table based on how you want it to be or your desire. So now let's say we want to add picture. Like I said before, look at picture. Just click on insert picture and select from this device. So it's going to load and take us to where we need to insert the picture. Let's say I have this picture and I want to insert it. Just click on it and click on insert. The picture will automatically be inserted to your Microsoft Word. Then now if you look at the picture is not moving. Why? Because it's locked. It's not moving. Now for you to move this picture, now let's say I've already clicked outside like this. You see the ribbon are closed. For you to move this, just double tap on the picture. The ribbon for editing the picture or to format the picture will just appear. All you need to do now is just to reposition this picture and position it to the top like this. now I can be able to move this picture. You see the difference between now and then. So once you insert your picture and you want to move it, you have to unlock it before you can be able to move it. You can also change the shape of the image by selecting any of these items here, depending on your choice. So you can see you've changed the shape of this image. Now to reduce the size, you click on this node. We have 6 nodes here, 9 nodes. No, we have 8 nodes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this one, this two top here, use to increase your picture size and reduce the picture size. Now take note, when you are reducing from here, you are escalating the picture. So it's best you reduce from the 4 angle knot, which is this and this, so that the picture will remain intact the way it came. Then you can insert shape, any type of shape, right from here. So the shape can be edited, can be formatted to different pattern, color, or any one you want. You choose from this. So you can insert icon, though this will take you to online. You can insert 3D modeling. This will also take you to where you have to get 3D modeling feature. I think this have to be connected online for it to work. So now let's look at smart art. Remember we are still on insert. From here you can add your smart art. All these are smart art that you can add depending on what you are doing. Then your chart, you can add your chart. This is pie chart. You can pick any of the chart you want to add, and you say okay, and the chart will be created instantly. So this is your chart that have been created for you. So you can label the chart or whatever you want to do on the chart. So we are still on insert. Then if you want to add screenshot, your screen to display. But take note, adding screenshot, you must be on a high version of Microsoft Word, like Microsoft 2007 will not be able to do screenshot, but the higher ones will be able to do screenshot. So that is how to insert object into your Microsoft Word. Insert chart, insert screenshot. Let's say I want to screenshot this, so let's say I want to screenshot this part. Automatically this it has screenshotted it and added it to my Microsoft Word. So any part of the document you want to screenshot, all you need to do is to click on the screenshot and you add screenshot to it. You can also add transparency to it to make it look transparent. You can see this is the original transparency, which is on 0%. Then here is on 80%. You can see, even though there is another image at the back, yet it's still revealing this image here. So that is how to add your image or screenshot, then add a little transparency. So this is where we are going to end today's video. We have looked at what file menu does, look at what home menu does, we have looked at what insert menu does. When I explained to you how you can add all these table, image and shapes using the insert menu. In our next video, we'll be looking at draw, we'll be looking at design, then how from there we'll start typing, we'll start organizing, from typing to organizing and formatting your document. All you need to do is to subscribe to this video, like and comment. Also, if you have any particular aspect in Microsoft Word that you want me to throw a light or do a video on, drop it on the comment section and I'll be glad to assist you on that. Thank you for watching. Bye.